Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Hello and welcome back to another video. This is Norma with Mommy's DIYs, and this afternoon we're going to do a few more of the tie-dye projects. This afternoon I'm going to use an orange, I'm going to use a purple, and I'm going to use a black. Make sure that you have a spray bottle just in case you decide to use it. Some extra water, and I use this as a measuring container. Have enough rubber bands, have some bowls, so because sometimes your mind goes like, oh, I can do this, oh, I can do this, but for this I'm going to use different items. I have 5 t-shirts, the tie-dye. I don't like to throw this away, throw the leftovers away, so I do as many t-shirts as I can. T-shirts are already wet, so the first one I'm going to grab it from the middle, and I'm just going to go around and just make sure that the form of the shape goes together, that it doesn't start going like all bulky. Just go around, see, like right here, kind of fix it, go around and just fix it, just like so. This is a extra large ideal from Next Level, and I get these t-shirts. I love these t-shirts. I use them for almost everything, and I get them through Print Gear. Okay, you do need to have a resale license, but it's worth to have it. So once you have it like this, you're just going to go ahead and get rubber bands to keep it all in the same place, like that. So I'm going to use, I think, 3 rubber bands, just like that. Some of these videos you guys have already seen, but today I just kind of felt like doing something for Halloween. And another thing, you guys, is that last year I bought some SVGs, some images for Halloween. I got a big bundle. So today and all these before Halloween, I guess I'm just going to keep it for whoever sees the video and wants to have them. I'm going to let you have the SVGs. I can send them to you. The only thing that you need to do is make sure that you are subscribed. You need to go like my business page on Facebook, and you need to leave a comment on Facebook, Facebook and YouTube, and thumbs up. And and then go to my Facebook on instant message. Leave me your name and your email, and I'm gonna be sending you through email the images. And this is one of the images right here. Okay, so now we're gonna separate. I'm gonna need my plastic bag. Always have some plastic bags, more than one. So I'm mainly going to divide these into 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, this is going to be divided in 6 parts, and you don't have to mark. So you're going to divide your t-shirt into 3 parts. So what I did is you don't have to mark them. You can just go like put a triangle like right in here and dye it. Just like that, and then another one right here, and then you're going to do the same thing with the purple. You're going to go right in there, and then you're going to go right in there. It doesn't have to be perfect, because that's the beauty of tie-dye. That is the beauty. So then we go ahead and do these side here, and we go ahead and turn it around and do the same thing to the other side, like it be here. So there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and do another design, and for that I am going to use a bowl. And I want to go ahead and do this one. So this one, what you're going to do, and here's another image that I want to share with you. So with this one, you're just going to go gather all your t-shirts like this. Just like that. And then you're going to put it inside the bowl, just like so. And remember that all your t-shirts are wet. Okay. Okay. So with this one, we're going to go ahead and use a spray bottle, and we're going to go ahead and put about a half of whatever's left. We have about half, so I'm going to put half of that, pour it into the bottle. A little more. This is the purple one. And then we're going to add a full bottle of the same size of water. So half of one quarter of these and one bottle of the water. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and start spraying. So we're gonna go ahead and spray all of it. Just like so. Spray it. Try to leave little gaps, white gaps, so that we can do the black. Okay. And then with the black, we're just gonna go like so in different areas. And same thing with the orange. Okay, so there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it around and try to fix it, and do the same thing on this side, all purple. So this one, we're going to go ahead and put it inside the plastic, just like that. Okay. We have these designs. Here's another one that I'm going to do. So this one I'm going to turn it inside out. And then I'm going to grab it by the middle of it, just like so. And I'm going to start putting rubber bands. Like maybe every 2 to 3 inches. Just like that, rubber bands all the way around, okay? Here we have it. So we're gonna combine any colors that you want. Okay, since I already have this purple one, I'm just gonna go ahead and dye right in the middle and kind of bring it all around, just like that. And then I'm gonna do the black right in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Remember that it doesn't have to be perfect. And the orange. Leave some spots white for the novelty. And then again, we're doing the so that is done. We're just going to carefully put it in the plastic. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put them in this bowl, just like that, carefully. And we're going to cover it with this plastic, but I need to wipe it. So for now, that's all, you guys. We're going to wait 48 hours. But make sure that you do the steps that I asked from you guys, so you can get your free SVGs. Okay, so see you in a little bit. Welcome back. It's been 48 hours and I'm getting ready to see what the outcome of what we did. So I have 2 containers. I don't know if I'm gonna need both of them, but I have them ready. And I have my dishwashing soap. This is Trumela Luca, but it can be any dishwashing soap. So the first step that we're gonna do, we're gonna rinse them in hot water. So let me get my hot water going. It's this one. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and see. Here's one of them. So I'm gonna start getting all the dye out. So here's the first one. Look at how pretty that came out. That's our first one. And this is the same one I did, but unfortunately, as I told you, I started recording. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So is the other one. Is similar to the little one, but this is a big one. And right now my water is coming out hot. So we're just rinsing it in the hot water. Probably I usually do about 5-6 rinses, but let me just show you. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, so I have 2 of those, and then I have this other one, and this is the outcome of that one. The other one, the one we did on the bowl on here. Okay, so after we rinse them in hot water, well, let me just go ahead and get the other one out. The other one is a different color. And then we can move on to the next step. I actually did 2 of the other ones. And here's one of them. Remember, I grabbed it from the middle part. And we went all the way down. So let's see how this one turned out. So remember, we turned this one inside out. So this is the last result of it. This is what it came out of that one. Look at how pretty this is. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at the back. Okay. The cold water and the soap is mainly so that when you leave them soaking, the colors don't blend with the white, and so the colors do not blend together. That's what is the reason of the that is the purpose of the dish soap. And then the cold water and leaving them soaking in the water, it's so that the entire dyeing process stops. Okay. So here it is. I am very pleased with the outcome of them. So let's go ahead and make our soapy water. And all this is trash. So we're gonna go ahead and put our garments inside there, just like so. Like so. That is in 45 minutes. So at this point, we're just going to empty our t-shirts. We're going to go ahead and rinse them and get the soap out of the fabric. And then we are just going to go ahead and put them in the dryer. Okay, so this is how it looks. Again, this is one of them. Look at how pretty that is. So that is all for me, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't, share and like, and may the Lord bless you today and every day, and have a safe time. Thank you.